Most people recognize the new batsman. He's Shahid Afridi, making more comebacks than any heavyweight boxer in history. There he goes. That is typical. That is Shahid Afridi. That's boom boom. Under it and a straight hit off a bowler of Roach's pace. Really well dispatched. 54 for 5.
Way up in the air, but it was very well timed.
Big shot. Will this be taken? It's gone. It's done the distance. Afridi. Good shot, good hitting. That's his second six. Even a miss hit of Afridi's bat goes over the line. Such a strong, powerful hitter. Picked up the slow one and it went over long on. Gone over point. More runs for Afridi. It's gone across. Hits the rope for a 4. So the attack is on. Afridi has looked pretty solid, pretty determined. Using his ability to good effect here. 6 followed by a slash over edge, and Gale with a one-handed try. It's a good one because Afridi had played the ball over towards the leg side, so he must have been blinded for a little while, but nevertheless a very good try. 73 for 5. Still a ball to go.
Playing all around it, aiming to wide mid-on as opposed to back down the track.
Go for the verdict. Big shot, big strike. Afridi has gone flat and 6. Great blow. This is good batting. He's hitting the ball straight and smack in the middle of his bat.
Could have surprised Narayan here because he had quick feet. Very few bats.
Goes back, cuts. Good shot, good cricket from Afridi. Narayan pushed to go flat and is paying the price for it. 50 partnership is raised, 50 from 45.
At the beginning of the over, the man at point left of your screen now.
At which he needs to be bowling. Gives the batsman too much time. That one is hit away, and I don't think Marlon Samuels is going to catch that. That's gone for 4. 30 overs have been bowled. This 107 can guide things along. And while Shahid Afridi plays his natural game, which is exactly that.
Well, his natural game is almost the unnatural shot. Look at that. Not even looking at the ball. Turning the face away. What next to expect from this man? That's going to take him to 50. Over the top.
Just 35 balls, he's come in and he's changed the complexion of the Pakistan innings. Added that momentum that Umar Akmal, who came before him, was unable to supply. Afridi is getting into strike, and into stride rather, and that was his 50. Sweetly struck over cover. Table bowling more at that off stump and not so short. This is short and gets a treatment. 6.
And hitting into the wind as well. There's a nice fresh breeze blowing across the ground from east to west, and he took his chances. I don't think he even bothered to work out where he was going, into the wind or with the wind. He's got
he went so far outside off stump. Pollard must have thought that the stumps followed him.
Well, I was wondering what he was bellowing about. Took such a huge stride across. You can see all 3 stumps behind him. Big hit, bringing up the 100 partnership, and is the best 6-wicket partnership at Providence, and what a way to achieve that. 149 for 5, 36 overs gone.
It's the last delivery of the last over. Full bonger, and he picks it up and deposits it.
A game of bluff and counter bluff between the two, and the crowd enjoying it. I love to see the exchanges. They want to see a bit of personality in this.
Well, they're both pretty similar in nature, very competitive.
Sensible cricket, and a bit of an argy-bargy getting to the other end. Probably almost playing to the crowd. Of course, in football, Karen Pollard will be flat.
Slapped over extra cover in the end, virtually with one hand on the bat, and somehow it's gone screaming down to the extra cover boundary. Didn't fall too short of the ropes. Extraordinary shot by Shahid Afridi.
And when you have no one sweeping on the offside, you cannot afford to give any batsman this type of room. The 3 deep fielders allowed are all leg side, so that was a poor delivery.
Now, who's going to get onto that? Darren Sammy it is. Takes the catch. So Shahid Afridi's vital innings ended with that style, living by the sword and dying by it. That's the way he goes, but it's been a best
hit. Sammy, one of 3 deep fielders on the leg side, takes a steepler.